So hello everybody, for this week's video we are going to do something a little bit different, so you can see this as kind of a vlog. Why am I doing this video? It's because I have a lot of projects going on and I didn't feel like I wanted to do like some kind of tutorial. I really wanted just to explain where I'm at for this week, and if I feel like next week I want to do a video, I will create one. It just depends. I don't want to be trapped in like something like a tutorial kind of channel. I don't really want that. I just want to share with you guys what I'm doing on an every week basis. So that's mainly also why I'm trying a new format. I have a couple things to say I'm looking at my computer right now. I have a couple things to say for this video. So a little bit, what am I doing this week? What are those projects? What is coming in the next few weeks? And yeah, give a little bit more detail about those things. Also, it's the first day that I'm in quarantine because of the coronavirus. And so yeah, let me show you. Home setup. So I don't know if you can see it very well. So this is my work PC and coding on that. I know the cable management is still like really bad. Up. It's not perfect. Just a second. There we go. Autofocus. The cable management is still not perfect, but we are getting there. There we go. Now you can see it. I just had to make something really quick because it happened like this, and the next day I had to work from home. I will probably have to work from here for the next 3 weeks. So yeah, I will make something a little bit better. Maybe in 2 weeks you will see something a little bit different. Maybe not. I don't know. If I want to and I have time to and the money to. So what have I been doing for the last 2 weeks? A couple things. So the first thing is that if you remember my last video, I explained that I wanted to create a portfolio and a blog. So I also explained that for clients, I never really code a website because maintaining a website and getting back to them if they want to change something, it takes too much time and I don't really want to do that. I'm just by myself. And so really doing some services after that I've done their website, it really takes a lot of time, and yeah, I don't have enough time to really do that. So that's why I'm using other tools like Webflow to create those websites. But here it's my portfolio website, and of course as a developer I really wanted to code it, and with that code it in, you guessed it, in React. So, or maybe you didn't guess it. So the thing is, I've been trying to create something with that, and yesterday I've been working on something. I'm just opening a browser. It's really difficult to type when you have a camera on the other end. Up, seeing other websites that I created. That's not what I wanted. Yeah, because when I create a website, I put my name on it. Of course, you gotta have that signature. Otherwise, how can people know? Up, wait a minute. Boom. So, let me show you. So, I've actually been creating a blog. I will explain everything, what Gatsby is and everything after a moment. So, it's the first deployment. I already changed everything, but it's already online actually. So the link is just over here, somewhere like here somewhere. So you can look at it. Maybe it will already be a little bit different when you guys go check it, but it's not done yet. So it's a basic blog, you know? And so you can go there, get some images, you can put some code. That's the first thing that I've been doing. So working on that little guy over there. It's really cool to see how to create a actual website with React and also with other apps that are online like Netlify. So basically what I've been using to create that blog, it's all for free. So first of all, it's online, it's for free, and it's all coded and made it with React. So I guess I could not have done it better for this beginning, of course. So how does it work? I used a framework that's called Gatsby.js, and with that framework what's really cool is that you can deploy website pretty easily using React. So I've been coding in React for the past year now already. It's already been a year that I've started coding in React. So it uses React, and then you can easily deploy that Gatsby website on Netlify. Netlify is... What is it exactly? Wait, we will look it up. What is Netlify? What is the definition of Netlify? Netlify is a platform where you can actually build websites. Okay, so it was actually something what I was going to say. But what's really cool with that is that you have Netlify, but you also have Netlify CMS. So CMS, it's a content management system, something like that, close to it. Or maybe it's just that. So it's a content management system where actually you can go to the backend of your website. If you know WordPress or Shopify, you actually know what I'm talking about. That's the backend of it, when you go to the admin and you can put some items in it, some post, or you guessed it, some blog post. So that's why I've been using Netlify and their CMS system, because it's pretty cool. I am on the admin page, and like you can see, it's pretty cool because you can create some new blogs, and you can also add a lot of plugins on Gatsby where you can really use the power of that CMS system. And so that's for that. So that's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with it. It's still work in progress, so that's why I've not been creating a video about it, because I really want to take my time with it. I really want to create something clean and super fast because it's in React. And yeah, you can go to the link, check it out. You can see the development because I will push it more and more. It will also be on GitHub, all the code if you want. So everything is open. You're open to look at the code, dig it, and see if you like it or not. So that's for that. I have another project. That one I maybe cannot show it to you guys. So that project is for a client. It's a calendar system. So what I need to do is create a specific reservation page, I'll say, that when a client calls them, they can actually have a form, custom form that I've created for them. They can enter all the info that they need. And then when they send it, it goes to a, you know, on the calendar app, I'll probably show it to you guys. You have like a week view where you have a panel, I'll say, next to each other for every single week and what you have to do for the week. Well, it's basically that, but a little bit more complicated and specific to the company. And yeah, I've been working on that too. That's pretty cool, because what's cool with it and the difficulty with it is that there are multiple users at the same time that can interact with each other, and the data has to be persistent. So I was hesitating to make like WebSockets and stuff like that, but I don't think that's a right approach for that. Maybe I'm wrong, that's possible too. I don't think that's the right approach. So I was more thinking about putting a server online, and that's where I came across Firebase real-time database, which is really cool, and it works really well for some parts with React. Because yeah, again, everything is made with React there. React TypeScript. It's all something different. I like that more. Gatsby is React.js. The other one is in TypeScript. It's much, much better. I've been working on that. The real-time database is really cool because you can put some listeners on specific paths of the data. So when something changes, it will automatically update your React page. It's awesome. I will probably make a video about it because I didn't see a lot of videos talking about that technology with React, because it's a little bit tricky to understand how it works because it's not explained very well, I will say, in the documentation of Firebase. But I will probably make a video about it because it's really cool and you can really do a lot of things with it. And that's where my last project came in, where I've been using that same technology with React Firebase. It's for my Google Home. I want to create a content, not really a content hub, like a hub for my Google Home where actually everything is, for example, on that little screen and it's always on, or on the TV or something like that. It's always on. And when I say something to my Google Home, it will show me the specific data that I need. So for example, if I want to know the stock market, instead of, you know, grabbing my phone, looking at the app and everything, I ask Google what is the stock market today, and it will show me on a screen the specific stocks that I'm following. where I've invested some money, if it's been increasing down and everything and like that. So everything is controlled by voice. It's something that I'm really interested in. I think it's the future. I think in the future we will be able to do a lot of things with voice. So that's why what I've been working on. I will probably make a separate video about it, a complete, not tutorial, but overview of what it's capable of, because the idea is pretty new. I don't think that a lot of people are working on that kind of technology or stack. So yeah, it's always nice to put it on that coder resume, aka on GitHub. So everything will always be available on GitHub, guys. That's the main purpose of this channel, is just to explain what I'm doing, but at the end everything is on GitHub. So if you want to know something about it, there it is. Follow me on GitHub and you will see what's going on. So I've been doing that, and I've been trying to boost a little bit more my GitHub account, because, so like I said, lately I've been doing a lot of tutorials and I don't want to get stuck with that. So that's why I want to get back to coding. So that's why I'm doing this. It's just to explain to you guys what I'm doing. So with that, I have more time to code, not make a tutorial out of it, because tutorials take a shitload of time and I don't want to make tutorials on this channel, or that's not the main purpose of this channel. I might do some at some point, but that's not the purpose of the channel. I just want to explain what I'm doing, what the life of a coder is. I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you guys liked this video. Don't hesitate to like the video and maybe subscribe if you're not subscribed, because I see that a lot of you guys are actually watching my videos every single time but are not subscribed to the channel. So just subscribe. So with that, you get notified every single time that I post a new video, and I will see you guys in the next video. See you.